In this video, we're going to find the equation of a line written in standard form when they give us the slope and the intercept. So what is standard form? So standard form is ax plus by equals c. That is standard form. So it's where x and y are on the same side. And obviously a, b, and c are just the coefficients. Now you don't try and write an equation in standard form. You just write an equation in slope-intercept form, and then you convert it to standard form. Now I think some rules on a, b, and c are that they need to be whole numbers, and I think they even like the front term to not be negative. I probably won't worry about that. So let's start with slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And we know the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's label these x1, y1, x2, y2. So we're going to do 7 minus 4, y2 minus y1, over negative 3 minus 1. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. That's negative 3 over 4. Should probably try to keep your negatives away from the equal sign a little better than that. I'm going to rewrite it. It's annoying. All right, negative 3/4. Let's go to slope-intercept form now. So we're going to say that y is equal to negative 3 over 4 x plus b. Pick one of these coordinates, doesn't matter which one. We'll use 1 and 4. So 4 equals negative 3 over 4 times 1 plus b. Negative 3 over 4 times 1 is negative 3 over 4, so let's add it to the other side. And we get 4 plus 3 over 4 is equal to b. Find a common denominator here. So we're going to multiply this by 4 over 4. And that's 16 over 4 plus 3 over 4 is equal to b, which gives you 19 over 4. So the equation then is y equals negative 3 over 4 x plus 19 over 4. Now to get it in standard form, you see x and y are on the same side, so I just need to add 3 over 4x to each side. And I get y plus, actually I don't want to write it that way. Let's write 3 over 4 x plus y equals 19 over 4. So I got x and y on the same side now. It looks like standard form, except I don't want any fractions, so I'm going to multiply everything by 4 over 1. So I end up with the 4's canceling here, so you get 3x. So you get 3x plus 4y equals 19. And that's the equation in standard form. So we're just going to another step or two farther than slope-intercept form from the previous problems. Let's try a second example. So we're going to start, we have negative 8, negative 1, and negative 1, negative 2. Let's write down the slope equation. We got y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have negative 2 minus negative 1 over negative 1 minus negative 8. When I subtract a negative here, that's really addition. So I have negative 2 plus 1, which would be negative 1, over negative 1 plus 8, which is 7. So our slope is negative 1/7. Then we're going to use slope-intercept form. So we'll come over here and say SIF, that's y equals mx plus b. So we have y equals negative 1/7 x plus b. Pick one of the coordinates, doesn't matter which one. Let's use the second one this time. Negative 2 equals negative 1/7 times negative 1 plus b. So we have negative 2 is equal to, multiply these together, you get 1/7 plus b. Subtract 1/7 on each side. You get negative 2 minus 1/7 equals b. And I'm going to kind of say that this is equal to, find a common denominator here, that would be negative 14 over 7 minus 1 over 7, which is going to give you negative 15 over 7. So then we can rewrite that as y is equal to negative 1/7 x minus 15 over 7. Now remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c. So let's get x and y on the same side. Add 1/7 x to each side. We get 1/7 x plus y equals negative 15 over 7. We need to get rid of the fractions, so we're going to multiply everything by 7 over 1. And we get x plus 7y, 7 times the 1/7 cancels, 7 times the y, 7y, 7 over 1 times negative 15 over 7, the 7's cancel, you go off with negative 15. Now we're in standard form.